Hello there! Today I want to take a quick look at LoudBody, a new mastering limiter designed to get you loud, fast and musically, without killing the low end. I'll keep this very practical and show you two quick examples, one on a full Mixbus and one on a Drumbus. LoudBody keeps things intentionally simple. You get a clean mastering limiter with a two-knob workflow. Loud for the overall level, and body to shape the weight and character, especially useful on bass-heavy material. There's also mid-side processing and loudness metering, so you can make informed decisions quickly without overthinking the process. Let's start with a full mix. Now let's activate the plugin and start by pushing the loud control. What I'm listening is how the limiter handles overall density and low end stability, especially once we get into competitive loudness. I will turn the link down a bit, so that the left and the right channel are processed a bit more independently. Adding a bit of body helps to keep the mix feel solid and full, without sounding scratched or harsh. What I like here is that it stays controlled and musical, even when you push it fairly hard. Let's also activate mid-side processing. Let's also use True Peak here. Now let's try the same idea on the Drumbus. I'll start again with the loud knob, to increase level and density. On drums, it's especially important that the transients don't collapse, and that the low end doesn't fall apart. With a bit of body, the drums feel punchy and weighty. Let's adjust the link. Let's set the high pass to 30 Hz, and let's set the low pass to around 10 kHz. Let's also activate mid-side here. Overall, LoudBody is one of the fastest and most musical mastering limiters I've used. The intuitive two-knob workflow gets me competitive loudness incredibly fast, while keeping the character intact. An outstanding tool for modern masters. Alright, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. All links and release info are in the description. See you in the next one.